Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week last week as market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on, and I hope you're able to capitalize on the massive market move as a result of the news that is happening in Europe. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold in the upcoming week, and I would also talk about the trade I took the week before. Um, so again, as usual, I'll be starting up with the weekly time frame, and then we'll work our way down to the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see on the weekly time frame, there was this massive buy move. Took price up to the 1958 level where we expect, or 1960 level where we're expecting price to get to. As you can see here on the weekly time frame, the price had tested this area several times. One here, another one here, number two. We have a third test here as well, three, and price didn't test it for a while. That's since January of last year, and then we had this test over here as well. And when price got here, there was now this massive rejection of a massive sell back down to the 1890 level. Um, so, and as you can see, the candlestick that has formed here now on the weekly time frame is this bearish pin bar, or a shooting star if you wish, which, as we know, is a very strong bearish signal. So looking at this, there is a strong indication that price could just continue to the downside. How it's going to happen, I'm not sure. I don't know if there would be a retracement up a little bit before the massive sell, but as the week goes on, then we would find out. But generally speaking, this for me indicates a sell, which is what I'll be taking. So in the upcoming week, I would only be looking for sell opportunities, even if price ends up buying or price moves to the upside. I would only look for sell opportunities. For me, that's what this candlestick means. That this is a sell signal, and any small retracement to the upside, then I'm going to sell. And if price gives us more signals to sell, even if it's moving to the downside, then we add on to our position. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see um, that price broke out strongly again, got to this our TP here. I took the trade and got about 600 pips in profit on that particular move. So very happy about that. And price rejected quickly back to the downside below the 1910 level. And now price has formed this close bearish again today, or at the end of this week. So that's why I'm expecting this area here. If this area here breaks, then most likely price will get down here, and if this area here breaks as well, then we'll be looking for more continuation. So we're looking for a closure below this area here, which hasn't happened before because price has always bounced off this area, and then more move to the downside here, the 1875 level. And if there is a break of this level as well, then we should be looking to add our position there and take price all the way to the downside, and possibly back down to this trend line over here. Okay, so this is what I'll be expecting in the coming weeks, maybe next week or two. It may not be as smooth sailing as this, and there may be a slight retracement to the upside here again before making that up move, like before making that down move, like I said. And even if price makes this up move, I won't be buying. I would only look for my sell opportunities. Again, if we go down to the 4 hour time frame where I normally take my entry, we can see that when price got here, it formed again this shooting star or bearish pin bar here, which is a sell signal. And on the 4 hour, and like I said, this on the weekly, that this pin bar here is a sell signal, and that's what I'm expecting a sell generally. But following this sell signal here, there was this massive sell move all the way to downside, broke this support now resistance level, got down here to the support level. Price came back up to test it here again, and then continued to the downside, and now price is has closed below this red line that I put here, where price failed to close below it one, two, and three times, and four times as well, because price came down here and rejected off it. But now price has closed below, so that's why I'm expecting price to continue to the downside down to this level here, and then we'll see how price reacts. If price breaks this level here, then we'll be looking for our sell opportunities. Like I said, hopefully the trade takes us to the downside up to the 1810 level. But if price gets down to this 1875 level here, this support level, and price rejects all the way to the upside, then I wouldn't be buying this up move here. Rather, I would wait for a retest and see how price reacts to this area here. If price gives us a bearish signal here, then I would sell again to the downside, expecting a break of this level here, and then enter again on the retest and take price all the way to the downside. So generally speaking, this is what I'm looking at for gold. I'm expecting a continuation of this bearish move. Again, this bearish move, there could be a slight retracement, but I wouldn't be buying on that retracement. I would wait for price to give me the sell signal, and then I'll take my sell opportunities. So that has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I am going to be bearish on gold and be looking for only sell opportunities, even if price gives us a buy opportunity. This has been my video for gold for the upcoming week. I hope it has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel in the group page, where I most of the time send my chart analysis as well. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next analysis video, and peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through.